don't see any street signs, so I really literally have to trust this thing.
Looks like we're coming up to it.
Yeah.
Turn left onto Via Bitaro.
Maybe you'd get used to it, but it does seem like your starter would just be like working overtime.
Yeah, it seems like it. I mean, the number of times it stops or starts is just like.
But it seems like they made it like that, and maybe they took that into consideration.
Now, what do you think at this? Can I turn left from this street?
I think
Yeah, I
so.
can.
No, that's.
One way.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It doesn't feel comfortable. I think.
Oh.
No. I think
Okay.
no.
Well, I'm just being a.
I know. I don't know. It seems like it's not a one. Is it a one-way street?
It's one way. The guy behind me is going tourista.
Don't yell. It's Italy. What the fuck do you think?
It's okay.
We got
Ooh,
this.
I'm going. I don't know what the fuck is going, but I am going. Ooh.
Yeah. Americano.
In 600 meters, turn left.
You're a perfect Italian driver.
Okay, toward SS 145.
Turn left.
Now I want to talk to
Turn
Ryan
right.
about when she went into Italy and hear where she went and where she stayed.
Oh, is that a place?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. It's hard to say. Maybe she's a motorcycle rider.
Yeah, I just go left here to get onto the highway. So weird that there aren't any lights, you know.
That's like the on-ramp to the highway right
That's what we want.
It's like a neighborhood
Turn right
on-ramp.
onto SS 145.
These guys are not going to let her off the freeway.
Yeah,
Come
there
on.
she goes.
She's trying to get off the freeway.
Oh, I should have gone. You snooze, you lose, team. Ooh, okay.
You just have to be a little brave and a little assertive altogether there. That's
and
all.
let this guy in. Fuck me,
Continue on
Jesus.
SS 145
You did
for
good,
10
though.
kilometers.
If you saw my pulse, it was like probably lower than normal. I'm very just calm. Let it now stay on SS 9 kilometers. Okay, cool. I can do that. Well, there's really no traffic infrastructure, so you just kind of like have to work it out. And then I think over time people yell at each, so you kind of know what to do, what not to do. Let some people in and then go. And
Yeah. try to just pull to the right, and maybe I don't see anybody stopping. Maybe pull to the right so they can. Guys barely even going over.
I mean, people told me things, and look at this. People told me things like, if there's a car, when you're driving, if a car is in your lane coming at you, you have to yield. And I thought, well, my God, that gives everybody the right to go in the other lane.
Yeah.
It's like, huh? So they just have so many people that said things that are
Wrong
just,
things.
well, they're just, I think
You
they're
should make a YouTube thing about driving in Italy.
Well, this is videotaping the whole thing.
Oh, and explain that this is how it is actually. It's a paradigm that you have to.
You have to join the community.
Yeah.
And work it out at every intersection.
Right.
You have to join the family.
It's just a way of coexisting together, where you're like this organism. You're just being assertive and generous, and someone steps off the curb, you stop, and then you go, and you don't think about it. And if somebody wants to get in, you let them in. If you want to get in, somebody lets you in. It's just like this flow.
Kind of.
If you get all shitty, then it just ruins it. Probably, you only have a problem if you had some American drivers that didn't know how to do it. But once I think we learned it by walking around Rome and seeing how it worked.
Look at this tunnel. It's a long tunnel. Right through the mountain. Just say their sirens are kind of, they've grown on me. Instead of ours, which are they make you paralyzed. They kind of freak you out.
Sure is pretty.
There's a golf in front of us. Close to the wall. Look, safe to move? Question mark. Yep.
We're tight over here, babe.
I'm gonna pull that mirror. Here. Just pull it. Well, this is pretty narrow. This is about as narrow as I've ever seen it.
I would if ever two cars get stuck.
That is pretty funny. Oh my God, look at us.
Nice. Get the hell out of there.
Oh, this person is gonna. This is just like Boyer. It cracks me up. Down here. I was just following that guy and I thought.
Turn left onto Via Gramsci.
Via Gramsci. There's no light. Should have gone. Oh.
These people.
Interesting.
It's so funny.
It is interesting.
After
Okay, now I need to block the way. Oh, they're just gonna go anyway.
they're just not going to give it to you. just have to start pulling forward, I think. Make your
Yeah, we did it.
pass at it. Yep.
Continue on via Gramsci for 1 kilometer.
We're going to Herculaneum and not the hotel. No, I hope we are.
Oh, God. Do you think it's taking us to the hotel we were going to stay at?
I don't know. I think this is to
Herculaneum.
parking, maybe. How weird. Or at least one parking. I may have to. It's maybe leading us someplace that I'm going to have to.
Man, they must have a lot of people here.
Wow. Wow. Boy, a lot of cars are coming up here now.